In this video, we are going to explore another report of the keyword clustering tool of Through, the Pages report. This view is very cool. It helps you to optimize existing content. You can see your article already ranking and for which cluster they're ranking for. Let's take this example, how to build marketing automation workflow 11th example. Okay, so active campaign, they already have an article and it ranks for several clusters. This is fine. This is fine, by the way. The rule is when you create content, one cluster, one content, but over time, it could happen that your article is ranking for several clusters. If this happens, it's okay, but we will see that here there is still some optimization to do. There is a cluster where my article is ranking in the top 10, here in green. So how to create a marketing automation workflow example, what are marketing automation workflows? Perfect. I mean, I'm already ranking for these three clusters, for these three intents. It's good, even though we could create a separate article, but I think it makes no sense here because we're already ranking well. But here we can see two other clusters where this is the best article, but we are not ranking at the best position. So example of successful marketing automation campaign and SMS marketing automation workflow. So here we can see it's different intents. It's more focused on example of automation campaign. So I guess case studies, and here more focusing on SMS marketing automation. So here what I will do, I will select these two article or cluster, add them to my favorites and create dedicated articles. And then you can even link this article to the new article created. I'm pretty sure that this article speaks about SMS at some point, and we can use the right anchor and redirect to our newly created article. You have also here filters. You can focus on specific page. You can also display only the cluster where are not ranking well. So use this view to again explore a bit more from another perspective the articles where you're already ranking, for which clusters are ranking, and if you need to optimize them or create new articles.